Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. And today we're going to be making a spinach and raisin salad. But guys, it's all about the vinaigrette. We're making a citrus lime vinaigrette, yes. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, the easy and simple way, subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos, and tap that bell so you'll always get notified. We're gonna get started right now. Okay guys, the salad is really simple. We have some mixed greens here, spinach, romaine, iceberg lettuce, mostly spinach, and we're gonna top it off with our raisins. And that's just about it for the actual salad part. I have about 1/4 cup of raisins, and I'm just gonna toss them inside, and then we'll just toss the salad together and set it aside so we can make our vinaigrette. Yes, that's it guys for the salad. Wasn't that easy and simple? Okay, first of all guys, the vinaigrette, we're going to start off with a half of lime. I'm just going to squeeze the half a lime into here. And guys, this dressing is going to would probably have enough for 2 or 3 salads, because with vinaigrette you don't need a lot. So I'm just using a half a lime. If you need more, if you want to store it, you surely can make it using a couple of limes, a couple of oranges, and just adding more of all of the ingredients. Okay, so we've got that all squeezed out. Next guys, we are going to use the zest of an orange. Not the whole orange, probably maybe about 1/4 of the orange, because again, I'm just making a small amount. And when you zest, you have to use the smaller part of your hand grater if you're using a hand grater, or you may have a zester. And you just want to keep turning the orange or lemon or lime or whatever you're zesting, because you want to get the peel, but you don't want the white part underneath, otherwise it'll turn out bitter. So you don't want to zest it enough to get that. You want to make sure that you continue to turn the orange as you zest. So we're going to just scrape this off of here and get it into our mixing bowl here. And guys, next we're going to cut the orange, but let me just show you for a minute. See that? See, if you can't see the white, you can still see orange under there, but the actual peel is gone. So cut the orange in half, and again, we're going to squeeze the half of this orange juice into the container. Just give it a good squeeze. The strainer actually, guys, is just to catch the seeds. That's the only reason. We're not trying to strain out any pulp or anything, because I actually like the pulp. But just in case a seed or two comes out, we don't have to go fishing for it. Okay, so now we have some sugar and salt. We are going to put about a teaspoon of sugar in here, and this is just organic sugar, and then we're going to use about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is just sea salt. So we're going to get those in there, and I'm going to stir it up right quick. I have some more ingredients to put in, but I like to give it a quick stir. Okay then, next we're going to be adding white wine vinegar. So I'm going to put about 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar in here, and we're just going to give it a quick stir as well. Okay, now we're going to add our olive oil, give it another quick stir, and then we're going to stir as we pour in our olive oil. That'll keep it from just sitting on top. So you just want to pour it in. I'm pouring actually probably in about 4 tablespoons all total. Again, you would need more if you have more citrus in here, but I'm just making a little bit, just enough dressing, because the salad, although it's in a larger bowl over here guys, it's probably just enough for 2, and me, I'm going to eat the whole thing. So yes, being greedy. But anyway, let's keep whisking. We're going to just whisk this until it's just combined together smoothly. You don't want to whisk it too much, because then the oil will start separating. So we are just going to show you how that it is still liquefied. That's what you want for a vinaigrette. See, it's just really pourable. Gives your greens a nice sheen, and it just tastes really light and refreshing. So I'm just going to pour it over here real quickly, and then we're going to toss it again. And that's it, guys. Our salad is made, and we've made our homemade vinaigrette. Yes, and this is one of my favorite vinaigrettes. I can just eat this on any salad anytime. And there you have it, guys. Our salad is done, and there's our vinaigrette that we're pouring right over it. Yes, and guys, if you like these how-to videos, consider supporting me over on Patreon. I have the link in the description. Leave me some comments. Give me a thumbs up. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell so that you will get notified. Thank you so much for hanging out and cooking with me today. It was simple, light, quick, and easy, but that just makes it more yummy. Yes, I really do enjoy each and every one of you all. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you next time.